Hi, my name is Allison Castellanos. I'm a registered nurse from New York, and the course I took today was the Comprehensive Botox Level 1 training with Empire Medical. What I really liked about this course is that it was hands-on, and every instructor individually guided you to the best of their ability to show you in your own way how you're going to be able to inject not only on people that are younger, people that are older, and they gave you the aesthetic eye that helps you look at different forms and different ways to do Botox, which I really appreciated. I picked the fast track because I have been a nurse for a couple of years now, and I've always been interested in aesthetics, and I wanted to dip my toes in aesthetics to see what it was like firsthand, and this course really gave me that. I definitely would recommend Empire Medical to anyone that's looking to dive into aesthetics, that doesn't know where to start. You get reading, you get videos, you get live action, and you also get to practice, which allows you to perfect your practice, and it's very enjoyable.